This is the Kingston 17/24x40 gap bed engine lathe, model HJ1100, serial number CH99114. It's new in 2000. It's got a lot of tooling with it. It's got the digital readout, 4-drawer chuck, 3-drawer chuck, 2 steady rests, tool post, and a faceplate. And also, obviously, there's a removable gap. Ways are not gouged. Nice and smooth. There's all your italics. You have inch and metric threading. You have a live center there too in the tailstock. Okay, Angel, can you give it a run? Okay. You can see the spindle's turning right now. You got the threading going and the feed bar going. That's the brake. That's the medium range. There you go. There's the medium range. It's got it reversed, but there, now he's going forward. And now he's going down to the low range. There you go. So you got the high, medium, and low. He's feeding it cross. Now he's feeding longitudinal. Okay. And now he's threading. Okay, let's run a couple more speeds. There's a different range. That's the low. Another range in the low.
160 would be in the medium.
This is the medium range. A different. Okay. That's the high range. Sweet. All right, run the feed in this speed, at a higher speed. Run the feed in a higher speed, just so you can see it. That's the cross feed. That's the longitudinal feed. And okay. There's the thread. Okay. Now, move the tailstock out, could you? That's, by the way, there's 2 roller type steady rests, 2 different sizes. There's the tailstock. You see it's graduated inch and metric. It's very quiet as I'm standing right by it. That's the back of the lathe, splash guard. And I believe that's about it. Thank you.